What's up guys, it's Barack here. Today I'm just making a quick model how-to video. It's going to be the first of a series of multiple videos. There's going to be some on the mods, some on the bottle, and this one is just going to focus on the bottle itself. And there's a ton of different ways to use this product. So really what we wanted to do is just give you some of our best tips, tricks, and practices for how you guys can get the most out of your bottle as soon as you get it. So without further ado, let's jump in. First thing you're going to notice about model is that it's double-ended. And the primary reason for this right now is that it's easy to clean. So you can see, you can just see straight through it, and it's easy to just pop this into a dishwasher. You can throw the caps in as well. It's really a breeze to clean. But if you don't have a dishwasher, a little trick that we found that you can use is you can actually put some paper towels in there, put a little soap, a little water, crush the bottle, and rotate it between your hands like this. And essentially what that does is allows you to scrub the inside of the bottle without having to reach your hand in. So it's quick, it's easy, and it's probably the way I clean my bottle the most. So the next thing I want to talk about while I'm screwing these caps on is obviously when you're closing up your bottle, you want to make sure that it's airtight. And the way that you do this is once you've screwed on the caps, you can just give a quick little squeeze test like this, and it'll be pretty apparent if it's not an airtight seal because you'll hear the air coming out. And if that's the case, just screw on the cap a little tighter and you should be good to go. Next thing I want to talk about is one of my favorite features of Model, which are the life loops. These guys right here. These guys are made of silicone, same material as the bottle, which means they're elastic and comfortable to hold and use as a normal handle. But what makes them special is the fact that they're detachable at either ends. You just yank them off like that. And what you can do is use this as a carabiner to strap this around your bag or belt or whatever you want to hook it to, so that you can secure your bottle. But what's more is that because the model's double-ended, you have two life loops, which means if you've ever been on a hike where you have a bottle clipped to the outside of your bag, in all likelihood it's probably swinging around and can actually get really annoying. So with Model, you can just attach both life loops, and your bottle's not going to go anywhere, and you can just focus on your hike. So next thing I want to talk about, one of the biggest features of Model is its collapsibility. We found a ton of different ways to collapse down Model, but we've kind of honed in on one way that is our personal favorite. But one thing to note whenever you're collapsing down Model is you've got to have the bottle open a little bit. Otherwise the air can't escape and you can't collapse the bottle. Just something to keep in mind. So the way that we collapse the bottle is like this. First thing I'm going to do a little quarter turn on this cap right here just so air can escape. And so what I'm going to do is just fold in like this. And right now I have my index finger holding this corner, my thumb holding the other corner. And all I do is take my hand and close this cap back up so that air can't get back in. You have a collapsed bottle. And one thing you can do, if you want to have it hold itself down, you can put one life loop through the other. And you've got a collapsed bottle. So that's really it from the Model front. It's a pretty intuitive product to use. You just got to use your head a little bit. But the thing to take away from this is we've only shown you one way to do each of these things, when in reality there's tons of ways you can do every single thing I just showed you. So we're just so pumped to get these in your hands so that you guys can start figuring out your own ways to use it, and so that we can learn how you guys use it and make the product even better. So that wraps up this little Model how-to. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you next time. Peace.